Hey, welcome to the Mobile Events Trial Tutorial. It's Dennis Ransdell, and together we're going to make a few additions to your trial account that will allow you to demo mobile events in just minutes. This interactive demo will quickly show you how to send your Studio app to a contact's smartphone while adding potential clients to your company list. You're also going to send out your first text blast. The first thing we're going to do is create your company contact list. Your company list is where all contact information will be stored. Setting up a company list will only take 2 minutes. Make sure you're logged into your dashboard, however, and then from your dashboard, click on the Contacts tab, and then on Create New. This will open up the contact list wizard. Next, you'll want to give your contact list a name. Let's call it Studio App, since this is what your contacts will receive. Now, let's scroll down to the opt-in message box. This is where I'll want you to type in a welcome message. First, include your company name and then a message like, "Thanks for requesting my company app." You'll also notice as you type your welcome message, you'll see a preview of the actual text message on the right. Your contact will receive this welcome message on their phone when you send them your Studio app. I'll show you later how to send your Studio app to your contacts. Now, next we're going to add a Studio app sample to your welcome message. By the way, when you upgrade, you'll be able to replace this sample Studio app with your own personalized Studio app. Now, I want you to pause the video and copy the sample Studio app link. It's just below this video. It's the one with the big red arrow pointing to it. Paste it in the welcome message area right after your welcome text. Once you're finished, start the video again. Okay, if you've pasted in your sample app URL into the message box, scroll down and click on Save. You'll now see your Studio app contact list under List Name. Now that your contact list is created, click on the Mobile Events logo to go back to the Mobile Control Center. What we're going to do next is create your mobile kiosk that will be loaded on your phone. I love this feature. Your mobile kiosk makes it easy to add a contact's number directly into your phone. When you do that, your contact will receive your welcome message that you just created along with the link to view your Studio app. Now, let's load your mobile kiosk to your phone. To start, I want you to click on Kiosk Builder. And to make it easy for you, we've already built one for you. Simply enter 7655 into the kiosk ID box. And then click on Copy. You'll see that your mobile kiosk instantly opens. Now, what we're going to do is give it a name. Let's call it Studio App. And then from the opt-in list drop-down, let's select the Studio app contact list we just created. This will automatically connect your kiosk to your Studio app contact list. Next, I want you to scroll down to collect additional information. Although you have 6 different types of information you can collect from your contacts, for now, just click off first name and email. Perfect. Now click on Save and Exit. You'll now see your Studio app listed in the name column. Next, we're going to send your kiosk to your phone. To do this, I want you to highlight and copy the kiosk URL. It's located right here. Once you've copied the URL, click on the Mobile Events logo to return to the dashboard. What we're going to do is use the Text Blast feature to send the kiosk link straight to your phone. So click on Text Blast, paste the kiosk URL into the message box. Next, scroll down to Insert Additional Number, and then place your own cell phone number into the box. Next, click on Send, and then confirm that you'd like to send the number to your phone. You'll receive a message that says your message was submitted successfully. Click on Go to Dashboard. Now, check your phone. You should have received your welcome text message that you created, along with the link to view your kiosk. Click on the kiosk link. You'll see that your kiosk will open directly onto your phone. Now, I recommend that you bookmark it or save it to your home screen. Otherwise, you can always go back to the original message and tap on the link. Now that the kiosk is on your phone, you're all set and ready to start collecting contacts. So let's give it a try. With your kiosk open on your phone, tap on the Enter Phone Number. You'll do this for every contact you meet. Now, for this demo, we're going to use your phone number. That way, you can see exactly how it works, and you'll see your own number in your contact list. So I want you to enter your phone number into the keypad on the kiosk. Then tap on Submit. Next, you'll notice that you have an option to add your name and email. Go ahead and do that. This is the first step in building out your contact profiles. Once you've entered your information, click on Submit. Next, watch for a new text message on your phone. When you see your text message, reply yes and then send. Instantly, you'll receive your welcome message that you created, along with a link to view the Studio app sample right on your phone. Now, two things have happened. Potential paying customers have received your Studio app, and their contact information has been added to your contact list. Make it a habit to add your contacts to your phone every day. It's amazing how fast your potential customer list will grow. So now you're getting new contacts each day. That's great, but what do you do with your growing list? One of the best things to do is to keep your brand in front of your contacts on a regular basis. You can do this by using your Text Blast feature. From your mobile events control panel, click on Text Blast. Now, this time we're going to type a promotional message into the message box. Do this along with me. 2 portrait sessions for the price of 1. Bring a friend! Exclamation point. You and your friend each get your own portrait session. Call and then list your company name to reserve your spot and your phone number. Next, we're going to select your Studio app list as the message destination. Now at this point, you're probably the only contact on this list, but soon it could be hundreds. Check the box next to the Studio app list. Also, I want you to take note that you have an option to send the same message to your Facebook and Twitter pages. This is very powerful, and it expands your promotion to your social media followers. It's also automated. Okay, let's scroll down and send your message. To send your message, simply click on Send. Next, click on Confirm that you want to send the message. You'll see a confirmation box that your message has been submitted successfully. Click on Go to Dashboard. Okay, now check your phone. You should have received your promotional offer. Just imagine this text message going to hundreds of contacts at one time. Not only that, but 98% of your contacts will open and view your promotion within minutes. See how powerful this is? So congratulations! You can now quickly add contacts to your phone, collect valuable contact information, and convert them to paying customers with simple follow-up text messages. Pretty awesome, right? Well, we've barely scratched the surface. When you upgrade, you'll unlock 20 additional SMS features that are designed to add new clients to your business. This will really give you an edge. You'll also get your own customized Studio app, as well as unlimited event apps. Event apps are essential to help book additional clients at your events. Plus, there's a bunch more features that we'll show you how to use. Oh, and by the way, did I mention you get the next 30 days free? We've taken the risk completely out of upgrading. To upgrade, simply go to your dashboard and click on Payment Information. Enter your credit card details and you're ready to go. If you still have questions, contact us through one of the options below this video. We're always happy to answer your questions.